Hello everybody, this is Diamond Suri from Canwings Consultants Private Limited. Welcome to my weekly YouTube update. So, in line with what I've been sharing in the last few videos, that Australia immigration is not closed, the nominations are not in the limbo. We've started getting updates from various states regarding the nominations that are yet to open. So please, I would say buckle up, get your applications ready because the nominations for few states are definitely going to open up. To begin with, I'm going to talk about South Australia. They've already made an announcement that on 27th of August this month, they will be releasing their occupation list along with the criteria. This time it's going to happen a little differently. Normally South Australia में क्या होता है कि there is it's on a first come first serve basis, so there's a time crunch applicants have to face. So for a lot of occupations, there's probably a window of sometimes just 10 minutes and you have to make sure that your application is lodged within that time. First of all, this time the occupation list is going to be limited. In the main list, which will open in October, they're going to come up with a much more expanded occupation list. So the occupations that will be listed on the 27th of October, you will get invitation to apply for a nomination from 31st August onwards. So let's say when they release the occupation list and the criteria, after about 3 to 4 days, they'll start rolling out invitations as to whom all they have picked up to apply for the nomination. Please do not confuse it with an invitation to apply for a visa. That is an invitation to apply for a nomination. And the next update we have for you is from Victoria. Victoria is also planning to release an interim occupation list. Again, an interim occupation list is a list which is related to some limited occupations until the time they release their main list. So before 6th of October, Victoria intends to release some occupations for which they'd like to issue nominations, and the criteria, the revised criteria, will also be introduced along with the occupation list. Following that, I'd like to talk about Canberra. Canberra has recently released its list of occupations. However, Canberra nominations are only open to Canberra residents. It is not open to offshore applicants or those people who've been living outside Canberra. And then I'd like to quickly address about Northern Territory. Northern Territory has yet not made any kind of given out any kind of information about their 2021 plan. However, those people who had already lodged their applications with the Northern Territory, those applications are still under process. So a lot of times people do ask that their applications have been lodged but they've yet not heard from them. So does it mean that the applications will be cancelled? No, not at all. Since the applications are under review with them, you should expect to hear from them. You should expect a decision from them soon. So with this, I'd like to quickly wrap up with a quick update on the processing times. As we've seen that a lot of people who've applied for 489 visas are waiting for the visa decisions. Now, we do anticipate longer processing times for 489 applicants, those who've already lodged the visa. Of course, now that the visa is closed, we don't expect any subsequent applications. And 491 visa, which is supposed to be a priority application visa. When we lodged the visa, we were given a time frame of like 36 days, but it kept on changing. And as on today, the estimated time frame for a 491 visa is anything from 63 days to 3 months. Having said that, I'd like to tell you here that there are applicants. We've been getting queries from applicants who have lodged the applications. A lot of our applicants who've lodged, whose applications have been lodged by us, their 3-month period has already surpassed. So I'd just like to tell you, nothing to worry. This is just an estimated time, plus minus here and there will not really make any difference. So the very fact that they've given you a time frame of 63 days to 3 months means that, you know, we are looking at a much shorter duration for the finalization of the visa as compared to 489 or perhaps 189 or 190 visa. So with this, I'd like to quickly end this here. Please do continue to send us your CVs and your questions on canwings@gmail.com. That is CAANWINGS@gmail.com, or please feel free to call us on 78498. We'll be very happy to look at any fresh queries, those who already done with this first step, those who've been thinking about 189 or 190 but would now like to also consider 491. Please do email us, do call us, and I'll be happy to review your profile and get back to you. So until next time, bye-bye and take care.